Hello and welcome to Humphrey's Kitchen. Today we're making chicken enchiladas. Let's start by preparing our chicken. I'm using a seasoning we've used before called Sazón. This has a few seasonings that complement this dish. To this we'll add black pepper, granulated garlic, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Give that a mix and apply to your chicken. We're using chicken thighs today for two reasons. First, they have more flavor than chicken breast. Second, they are less expensive. I grilled these off, and afterwards I got a call from friends that wanted to stop by for dinner, so I threw 3 more pieces in the oven. Either way works fine. Let's get these shredded before moving on. Once they are shredded, we'll give them a rough chop. These pieces are about 1/2 inch. Chop them to your liking. Now that we're done chopping, let's add some more seasoning to the chicken. Once again, I'm adding Sazón seasoning, granulated garlic, onion powder, black pepper, and this time chopped jalapenos. Give that a thorough mix and we're done with the chicken. Next we'll shred the cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar here, but feel free to use any cheese you like. Lastly, before we assemble our enchiladas, we'll get our corn tortillas ready. We heat them in oil to make them pliable. They are not cooked till crispy, just a few seconds on each side. I usually go by the bubbles that form on each side. When they start rising up, it's time to flip or remove. Use an uncooked tortilla to soak up some of the oil. Then rinse and repeat until all tortillas are done. When it comes to enchilada sauce, you can use our recipe, which I've posted a link in the description, or you can use the sauce from a can. Either will work just fine. Add some sauce to the bottom of the pan to keep the enchiladas from sticking. To assemble, dip your tortilla into the enchilada sauce. Fill with your seasoned chicken and roll up. Feel free to add cheese inside if you like it real cheesy. We use about a 1/2 pound of cheese on top, so we're good with the cheese. You do you when it comes to how you like it. Lastly, we'll add some more enchilada sauce to the top, then add our cheese. Wrap and bake for 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees. Cook time may vary with your oven, so check the temperature. It should be above 165 degrees and the cheese melted. While the enchiladas are in the oven, let's make a simple onion cilantro mix. Dice your onions how you like them. These are a small dice. Same goes with the cilantro, chop how you like it. We add a little salt and black pepper. Some people add lime also. You can add whatever ingredients you'd like in this mix. Wow, check out the cheesy goodness there. We serve these with seasoned rice and homemade refried beans with cheese. If you would like to learn how we make our beans and/or rice, leave a comment below. We hope you, your friends, and family enjoy these enchiladas. They taste wonderful. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, please take care.